Prepare to be amazed by the untold story of a small device that profoundly reshaped human history, the mechanical wristwatch. This is more than just a timepiece. It's a testament to ingenuity, precision, and a critical piece of technology that became essential in moments of great change. Let's delve into its history and impact. To understand the revolution, we must first look back. Imagine a world where knowing the exact time required consulting a public clock or a cumbersome personal device. The invention of the mechanical wristwatch provided individual, accurate, and immediate access to time, a seemingly small convenience that would unlock massive societal, military, and technological advancements. For centuries, timekeeping relied on large, communal tools like sundials and church clocks. Personal time was a luxury, and often imprecise. The closest personal timekeeper before the wristwatch was the pocket watch. Highly fashionable, but inherently inconvenient for active work. Pocket watches were delicate and required two hands to operate, making them impractical for anyone who needed instant, hands-free time checking, especially during high-stakes activities. The concept of a wearable time device emerged in the early 19th century, recognizing the need for greater portability and accessibility. Initially, these early wrist-worn timepieces were predominantly worn by women as sophisticated jewelry, often referred to as wristlets, blending function with high fashion. Visionary pioneers like Abraham Louis Breguet and Patek Philippe were instrumental in developing the earliest robust mechanical movements suitable for the wrist, pushing the limits of miniature engineering. But the true test, and the subsequent mass adoption of the wristwatch, was driven not by fashion, but by the relentless demands of modern conflict. World War I proved that successful, synchronized military actions required every officer and soldier to have immediate access to time. Pocket watches were dangerously slow and cumbersome in the trenches. The military quickly standardized the wristwatch, leading to massive demand and mass production. It transformed from a luxury item into a vital piece of combat equipment. The wristwatch wasn't just an improvement, it fundamentally changed how people interacted with and used time in high-pressure environments. Combining reliable mechanical precision with wearable portability made time immediately actionable. No longer did speed of access impede coordinated efforts. This quick access to precise time revolutionized military logistics, communication, and strategic planning, allowing for complex maneuvers that were previously impossible. After the Great War, returning soldiers brought their reliable wristwatches home, sparking a massive shift in civilian life. The wristwatch seamlessly transitioned from a specialized military tool to a civilian essential, valued for its practicality in an increasingly fast-paced world. Beyond function, the wristwatch rapidly evolved into a cultural symbol of sophistication, reliability, and status, a trend that continues to this day. The history of the mechanical wristwatch demonstrates how small, precise engineering can have a colossal, enduring impact on human civilization. From coordinating military movements to defining personal style, the wristwatch cemented the concept of personalized, portable time, changing everything from how we work to how we fight wars. Though digital devices dominate today, the foundation laid by the mechanical wristwatch, the need for immediate, reliable time, remains an essential, often overlooked influence on our highly structured modern lives. Before the Quartz watch, timekeeping was a luxury dominated by intricate, expensive mechanical movements. We're diving into the moment that all changed, ushering in an era of precision and affordability. For centuries, mechanical watches, masterpieces of craftsmanship, ruled. They were complex, often required meticulous maintenance, and were simply out of reach for the average person. The breakthrough came with quartz, an oscillator that could regulate time with unparalleled accuracy using the power of electricity. This was the true revolution. The story of quartz begins not in a watch factory, but in a science lab, where researchers explored the unique properties of quartz crystals. The key principle is piezoelectricity, the ability of certain materials, like quartz, to generate an electric charge when subjected to mechanical stress, or to vibrate when an electric current is applied. While many were involved, the Japanese company Seiko is often credited with bringing the quartz watch to the consumer market, leading the charge in this new technology. In 1969, Seiko released the Astron, the world's first commercially available quartz wristwatch. It was expensive initially, but the door was open for mass adoption. So why was this shift so revolutionary? Quartz offered advantages that mechanical watches simply could not match, fundamentally changing timekeeping for everyone. A quartz movement could keep time with far greater accuracy than even the best mechanical watches, losing just seconds a month compared to minutes a day. Thanks to electronics manufacturing techniques, quartz watches could be produced cheaply and quickly, making reliable timekeeping available to the masses for the first time. The sudden rise of affordable, accurate quartz watches nearly devastated the traditional Swiss watchmaking industry, leading to what is now famously known as the Quartz Crisis. The implications of quartz technology extended far beyond just wristwatches, impacting technology and global connectivity in profound ways. Quartz oscillators became essential components in early computers, radios, and countless other electronic devices, enabling precise timing for the digital world. The accuracy of quartz helped synchronize global communications and digital systems, ensuring that everyone around the world could operate on a unified, precise measure of time. From a small crystal to a global phenomenon, the quartz watch represents a defining moment where precision met mass appeal. Today, mechanical watches have seen a resurgence as luxury items, but the legacy of quartz remains, making time accessible and accurate for billions. The lessons learned from the Quartz Revolution continue to drive innovation, leading us directly into the era of smart technology and interconnected timekeeping we know today. With smartphones and smartwatches constantly keeping time, what truly sets a mechanical watch apart? Is it just a nostalgic item in our tech-driven society? A novelty item is often fleeting, but a mechanical watch represents longevity. They are often seen as a statement of appreciation for tradition and lasting value, rather than a temporary trend. The true value lies in the craftsmanship. Mechanical watches are marvels of micro-engineering, requiring immense skill to assemble hundreds of tiny parts to function perfectly without a battery. Unlike disposable electronics, a well-maintained mechanical watch can be passed down through generations, making it a tangible connection to family history and a treasured heirloom. For many, owning a mechanical watch is an appreciation of horological art. It's a wearable piece of history and precision, a complex, fascinating mechanism on your wrist. With their durable construction and ability to be repaired rather than replaced, mechanical watches offer a more sustainable choice compared to short lifespan electronic devices, contributing to less waste. So, mechanical watches are much more than just time-telling devices. They embody history, engineering, art, and personal legacy, securing their place in the modern world.